Hey everyone, Petalisbless here. I'm coming on today with a hair review for you guys. And the hair review is from a company called Wiggins Hair. See? Wiggins Hair Company. Yeah. Once met, never forget. See their logo? Wiggins Hair, once met, never forget. Nice packaging, nice silky yellow bag, you guys. Yeah. So, you know I don't really do unboxing. I just show you the pictures and there we go. But for this one, I have to do an unboxing. And you're gonna see why. So let's open it and see what we have inside. Alright. We have a nice wig cap here. The beige color one. Let me see what else. And we have some eyelashes here. And the hair that I got from them is a Brazilian straight, you guys. Yeah. And it's 3 bundles of 12 inches. And I have a 12-inch closure. Yes, I do. Now I want to make a bob wig with this. That's why I got the short lengths. So let me show you the bundles. These are bundles 1, 2, 3 bundles. And you know it says Wiggins Hair Company on there. Right? Let me just open one pack quickly to share with you guys. There is the hair. It's nice and soft. And the wefts look thick. The beading looks nice around it. The beading is a little hairs them that hold near where they stitch the hair. Yeah. So it looks nice. As you can see. Brazilian straight. Now here's why I got this hair, you guys. Let me tell you. This right here is why I ordered this hair. Now, it is a 2x6 closure. A 2x6 closure, you guys. You know, I always get the other closures, which is 4x4, this wide, you know, like this, 4x4. Or you get a frontal, which is the long one from ear to ear. But you guys, this is something new that they have now. And here it is. It's a 2x6 closure. Yeah, 2x6. And I just had to try it. I had to try it, you guys. So I got it and I'm gonna make the wig and share it with you guys. But you guys, look at this. Look at this 2x6 closure. It's really nice. It's nice for when you have like the bob style now. That is really nice. And you want the center part, or you can turn it to the side too as a side part. But you know, it's nice. You don't need a lot of space. You don't need a lot of space. This is absolutely perfect. I love it. I absolutely love it. Like, you know, I made a wig for someone using this same kind of closure. So when I found the company that has them, I said I had to get them too. I had to get one too. So I'm coming on to share it with you guys. So, you know, we're gonna make the wig. Yeah. And I'll share that with you guys. And then we're gonna put on the wig and all that and do the review and tell you about the hair. But I'm so super excited about this, you guys. This most of all. The bundles are okay, yeah, they're there. But I'm excited about the closure. The 2x6 closure. Yeah. And it's Wiggins Hair Company. They have it. Which is very nice. Wiggins Hair Company. Alright, you guys. Let's get into the wig making. I'm so excited, can't wait. Alright. Alright everyone, here is our 2x6 closure. And I just placed it on top of my mesh wig cap. And we're gonna just start sewing it, going all the way around. And here's our closure all sewn down, you guys. Isn't this neat? 2x6. So I'll have a deep part. And now we're going to take our bundles and we're just going to be sewing back and forth all the way till we get to the top of the wig. Okay everyone, now we're at the top. I have some more space left, but I'm gonna sew around the closure first, and then I'll go back in and fill in the empty space that I have just underneath where I'm sewing this bundle. But I just want to make sure I line up the bundles with the closure really neat. So I'm just going to sew all the way around. And here's the finished look, you guys. I think it looks really nice. And I did a blunt cut. Yes, I did a blunt cut. It was a little longer because it's 12 inches. So I just had my daughter give me a blunt cut for my bob, and I think it looks oh so super nice. And the hair is so soft, you guys. It's the Brazilian straight, and it is so soft and flowy. And here we go with the deep part. Look at that, you guys, all the way back. I put some concealer in the part, and I didn't pluck it. Didn't pluck my part. I think the part is a good size, and it goes all the way back. That's what I love. It's 2x6, you guys. Oh, I think it looks super cute. And here's the hair from the side. And then this is the back. And it's very nice, very soft, and it flows very nice. Alright, you guys, I'm going to leave a link below to Wiggins Hair Company so you guys can go over and check out their 2x6 closure, which, you know, you get a deep part. It's really nice. You can do it in the center or you can put it to the side. It's up to you, whichever choice you want, but you get a nice deep part with this 2x6 closure.
Yeah, and their bundles are nice too. So this is my initial review. I will come back and tell you guys how this hair is faring and how I like it and all that good stuff. Remember, I'm leaving the link below, so go over and check out Wiggins Hair Company. And remember, I have in the Brazilian straight for 3 packs of 12 inches and a 12-inch closure, 2x6 closure. All right, you guys. Remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye.